Good morning, my YouTube fam. Look at this makeup. Oh my gosh. You guys, Copacetic Cosmetics did not disappoint this month. As always, we got our cutie bag in. Let's see what we got and see how I did this makeup look. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, my loves. Good morning. Welcome to our new subscribers. Oh my gosh, you guys. We are just really growing. So very thankful for every one of you guys. All right, you guys, let's talk about Copacetic Cosmetics. I keep a hold of this little $12 a month subscription beauty bag because of their eyeshadows. Look at this glitter shadow. Wow. So the makeup video is a little over 3 minutes long, so I'm going to do this real quick with y'all, and then we're going to do the makeup video with you guys. Okay, $12 a month, you get 4 items. You get 3 items, products, and then 1 mystery item. You get 1 eyeshadow, 1 lippy, and a nail polish, and then a mystery item. I love her eyeshadows, you guys. I cannot say that enough. I love Copacetic Cosmetics eyeshadows. I believe it's the first Tuesday of every month. She has them on sale for like $2 or $2.50. They're phenomenal, you guys. I cannot rave about them enough. I love them. All right, loves. What did we get in our September bag? They were a little late coming in this month. First thing I chose. You actually get to choose them. You can choose your products you get now. Sometimes I like to keep it a real good surprise. Y'all know I like the surprises. But some months I take a little sneak peek, or I watch other people's videos who've already unboxed them. I'm like, ooh, I want that shade. Oh, yeah. And when she has it available, I pick it. So I don't remember if I picked these shades or not, you guys. I honestly don't remember. So it was a nice surprise. I'll tell you that much. It was a wonderful surprise. First thing we have is like this lime green nail polish. It's a very pale green. That would be really pretty on. Unfortunately, I've already done my orange nails getting ready for Halloween. So I might actually use this to do like some little details on my nails. And then I'll put a picture up on Instagram for you guys. Next thing we have here is this lip gloss. I want to see if I can see what the shade name on this nail polish is for you guys real quick. This is something... Cobtus. Oh my lord, what is going on? Catoofsness. I don't know, you guys. You get 5 milliliters, just little tiny bottles of them. Next thing we have is this beautiful gloss, you guys. And this shade is Covet. I'm going to go ahead and put it over my purple lips here. This is the Jason Wu one that I have on. It's more of a mauve color. It's just really pretty, and I think it looks great with this eyeshadow look. Absolutely stunning. I love it. The eyeshadow this month, which I'll get to in a minute. Okay. It's almost white. Let's just go over the top here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty, you guys. It kind of shears itself out. Just to make a very pretty gloss with like a light green tint to it. It's really pretty. Really pretty, you guys. Again, that's the shade Covet. Okay, the mystery item I got was this loose highlighting powder. Look at that. It's got little shimmers of green in it. It's so pretty. So the theme this month is just green. And this is Unstaged, her loose highlighter. Which it's a very loose powdered highlighter, you guys. What I'm going to do is put some here on a Q-tip and do a little swatchy swatch on my hand with nothing underneath for you guys. It's hard to see because I don't have a foundation or anything underneath. There we go. Look at that. Yeah. It's a loose powder, so you want to make sure that you have... I use it on my inner corners here, too, on my eyes, which you'll see in the makeup video. It's just so pretty, guys. It's got little loose, tiny, finely milled glitter flakes that are green in it. And you can shear it out, as you can see, because it clearly does not look like that on my face. Actually, really pretty one this month. I really like it. A lot. She also has a nail polish subscription bag. I think you get I'm not real clear on that, so I'm just going to shut my mouth on that, you guys. But she does have a bigger subscription, and it's just for nail polishes. Okay, you guys, the eyeshadow this month, oh my gosh. This is called Greener Grass. And it's a glitter shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some pigment or something down on my hand so I can do a good swatch for you guys. See you in a second. So I just put down some e.l.f. concealer. Here is the shadow. Let's do a little swatch. Now it is a glitter. Oh gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. You can hear my husband out there. I am sorry. Here, look at that. And then here it is on the eye. That is not what I used on my eyes to put this on, you guys. So now we're going to go into this eyeshadow makeup look, you guys. Again, this is the Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag for just $12 monthly, you guys. All right, loves, I'm going to put on the makeup video for you guys, and then I'll come back. loves. Isn't it stunning? Absolutely gorgeous. Again, that shade's name is Greener Grass. Look at this. Isn't it just beautiful? I absolutely love, love, love her shadows. Hopefully I'll forever be able to subscribe to her and get all of her single shades. I love them. I know she has some quads now that she's offering, and I'm thinking about getting some of those too. But I've got a little secret for my glitter eyeshadows now, and you guys, that video will be coming up real soon. So your girl might be doing a little prettier, more vibrant looks for you in the near future. All right, Les, that is all for the Copacetic Cutie Bag. Just $12 monthly, you guys. If you want good eyeshadows, you guys, you cannot go wrong with the Copacetic Cosmetics shades. All right, loves, your girl's going to go. I hope y'all are having a fantastic week, a fantastic day, whatever. Take it minute by minute. I hope it's fantastic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.